So the single most important thing when jibing with the spinnaker up in a high wind is to go into the jibe with as much speed as possible. By doing so, it's actually easier to jibe in a high wind with the spinnaker up than without the spinnaker. The best time to jibe is just after a gust. Once you've bore away a little bit for the gust and you've taken the speed. So the crew comes in off the trapeze. At that time, just going to very assertively turn the boat through the jibe. If it's particularly windy and you are worried that you might capsize, then it is worth taking the boat back downwind a little bit after the sail has come across. That will just take the sting out of the jibe and give the crew more time to get back out onto the trapeze and into the foot strap before you power up. The communication is very important to synchronise the movements on the boat. So firstly, informing the crew that we're going to jibe and he comes in off the trapeze. Once he's unhooked and on the trampoline, he'll say ready. And then once he's ready, that's when we initiate the turn. With the main sheet, we're keeping it cranked in during the first part of the jibe. As we exit the jibe, we're just going to sheet out an arm's length just to allow the mast to rotate. Once the mast has rotated, we're going to crank the main sheet back in. Finally, you can see here that there really is not a lot of steering required to put the boat through the jibe. Straightening up or tweaking the boat back downwind as soon as the sail comes across.